So it's then next type Lenovo IdeaPad 5 2-in-1 driver. So go to this first URL, right click to new tab. You can see this is your, and you can, if you don't know about your model number, so you can detect to your automatic, you can see the serial number, otherwise you can enter the serial number and then click to search. So you can see this is two type to find out your laptop required driver. First automatic, you just click to scan now, it's laptop required driver automatically install. And this is second is manual, so just click to driver. Then guys click to Bluetooth. Now you can, this is simple Bluetooth driver. Okay, and this is also, so try to any, just click to download. You can see in this download button. After that you can see this is start for downloading, and then click single click to, and then click to yes, accept, then next, select the install. Do not extract, directly install, and then click to next, install. Now you can see the Bluetooth driver installed successfully. Okay, and then click to OK, and then finished.